Are you firing or are you backing?
No, I'm back.
I had 6 guys. Where did my other one go?
He deserted you.
What the hell? You want to shoot, Rory? Okay. All right, he's got to stand by, just sit, relax.
An accurate representation of
5, that one?
4
or 5. I did not say load magazines.
Just leave it shut up. Just throw it in the back. Hello.
I think it only holds 5 rounds. Okay. Actually, it's a single one. All right. Okay, you're firing on target 4.
Right?
Correct?
Yep.
There's 1 and then a space. 3,
No.
4.
All right.
Rory, you're good on 5? 5. Okay. You're good on 6? You know where it is? Okay. Yep. You're on 7? Okay. You're on 8? And 9. Okay. Load your magazines. Ready your rifles. Okay, relay 2. 10 rounds at 100 meters in 5 minutes. Ready your rifles. Stand by. You may fire.
She's splitting cases.
Is he what?
Is she splitting cases?
Oh, most likely.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 2.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, you got a real problem there, pal.
27.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, stop.
Yeah,
Stop. That's a 410.
yeah. This is a standard of 410. Cause I saw the smoke coming out of it, you see how it's all bulged out? Can you take the bolt out of it? Super sweet boy.
You, I'll get you into the rifle. Okay. Tim! Shot a
I like it used to be a steel tree,
Sorry, Tim.
but
Okay.
over time, Ford drilled up 2 trumpet shells.
Okay.
Alright. Right up. So that's, I saw the smoke coming out.
Yeah, that one's smoking a little much.
Well, yeah, and this is the final one. Rifle.
There's another one for.
Yeah, the same rifle?
Okay.
And now you can.
Yeah, 10 rounds, carry on.
This is what's on.
The guy right there, the beard is number 1. You're 7.
Oh, yeah, it's huge. It's a good thing when infill action, they're hard to blow up.
You need more ammo, right?
I
Yeah,
do have more now.
but, how many? Okay, you have 2 rounds left in this rifle? Yeah. Go get 8 more from the other. Okay. Go, thank you, Pete. Go get 8 more. Okay. Okay, the remainder, if you're done, just rest. We had a bit of a problem on number 6 with the wrong rifle. Tim, he needs 8 more rounds. I think you did.
Bullseye every time. Tell ya.
Finding out, same here.
Yeah.
Just pop it, yeah. Nothing to it. He does really good organizing these kids for the reenactor stuff. Yeah. No fun. Live and learn.
That explains why it's single shot. That explains why it's single shot.
Yeah, I figure anybody shows up in the range knows how to use it right. Well, that was
What happened to it?
he was using the 410s when the Indian ones had done 410s.
Oh. Oh dear. More ammo?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're still live. 8 rounds go on. We'll let you finish this.
Alright, thank you.
Oh. No pressure.
How about
But it wouldn't have. Down the barrel.
Of course it would.
Probably right.
is it you or no?
Good eye. Thank you.
A little too much.
I see the dancing is now like a little lower in price, so it's like, it's like, before it was like sleeping in a box, and now it's like, that was one of his best we call it cut off.
Well, that's to shoot single.
Yeah, yeah.
This one I think is so bad. You sure with this?
Yep, that's what I was looking at.
Yeah, I see you checking.
Yeah. One of these is a little janky. I forget which one. One of the clips is a little janky. I forget which one it is.
I had one go bad on my last one, and always next to the end of my thumbnail, I tried to cram it in.
Oh yeah. Yeah, carrying them around in this.
Oh, yeah,
They,
there, it's right on there.
Yeah, They get out of line.
Yeah.
Double.
We got 9 of those cards.
10 good ones?
Yep.
Okay, that completes the 100. Check your, if you want, check your groups with a vinyl or optic. It's the only chance you get. Okay, prepare 20 rounds, set it up, load your magazines. Turn you upside down and shake you till it all falls out.
Yep.
Lay the rifle down, please. It'll hold 10, stick 10 in it.
It'll hold 10?
Yes.
For a while. Sure.
What's that? Okay, relay 2. This is 20 rounds at 200 meters in 5 minutes. Make sure of your target number. If you crossfire, you're just helping the guy to the left or right. Identify your own target. Is everyone ready? You may chamber a round. Stand by. 5 minutes commences. Fire! 2 minutes remaining!
Weird's going on with this.
It's loaded down ammo.
Oh, is it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I make it so that it's not designed for.
Oh.
It's a plated bullet and they're just coming apart in the back. Hopefully.